Welcome to the official tutorial of the mobile application provided by Ashutosh Financial Services Private Limited. In this video, we will take you through an overview of the mobile application which is available for the download on Apple App Store and the Google Play Store. This is the main login page of the mobile application where the user is required to enter their login credential. This credential can be obtained through the Relationship Manager of Ashutosh Financial Services. Here, we are entering the credential in order to access the mobile application. Once we tap the login button, we will be redirected to the home page. On the home page, you will be able to view the overall valuation of your wealth. This valuation is not limited only to mutual fund investment. It also includes all the investment managed through Ashutosh Financial Services such as fixed deposit, offshore investment, AIFs, PMS, unlisted stocks, non-convertible debentures, and many more. At the top of the home screen, you will see the current market value of your total investment along with the daily change in valuation. Below this, you will see the investment value and market value along with the written display both in absolute terms and extended rate of written format. As we scroll down, the home page display investment details across multiple investment categories. At the bottom of this page, investments are further classified by asset class, product class, portfolio wise, category or industry wise, and security wise. Under the Securities tab, you will find a complete list of all the funds held in your investment portfolio. At the top of the screen, when we click on the arrow icon, a summarized view of portfolio appears showing the total unrealized gains, dividend received, and net profit or loss. Returning to the home page, you will see the View Analysis button. On selecting this option, you will see the chart representing the investment journey along with the total invested value and current market value. Below this chart, you can view the overall allocation of the portfolio across different sectors and across different category types such as large cap, mid cap, and small cap. Further down, the section displays the top 10 holdings of your portfolio, which may include listed stocks as well as debentures. Returning to the home page, you may select any investment product to view detailed information. Here, we are selecting mutual fund section. In this section, you will find detailed information of all the mutual funds held in your portfolio along with their respective returns. You can also place new investment through the application as Ashutosh FinServ has enabled in-app investment transaction. Additionally, you can view processed order details, recent transaction, filter the customized display of records, ongoing detail SIP by clicking the top button. Once again, returning to the home screen, the second tab is a Calculator tab. Here, you can plan and estimate your financial goals by using the available financial calculators. The third tab is the Profile section. Under this section, you may update your personal information, contact details, and also view the Relationship Manager details in case of any assistance is required. Thank you.